Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and germs. Welcome back to another episode, to another daily Stoic discussion. Today it's January 7th, 2020, 7th day of the year. Now, we're gonna read about 7 clear functions of the mind. It is Epictetus on his discourses, and I quote, "The proper work of the mind is the exercise of choice, refusal, yearning, repulsion, preparation, purpose, and assent. What then can pollute and clog the mind's proper functioning? Nothing but its own corrupt decisions." End quote. Now, let's break down each one of those tasks. Choice, to do and think right. Refusal, of temptation. Yearning, to be better. Repulsion, of negativity, of bad influences, of what is not true. Preparation, for what lies ahead or what may happen. Purpose, our guiding principle and highest priority. Assent, to be free of deception and what's inside and outside our control, and be ready to accept the latter. This is what the mind is here to do. We must make sure that it does and see everything else as pollution or corruption. Okay, so my realization on this reading is that we must have these 7 functions of the mind, because if we lose one, we can easily be derailed or be derailed at all. Because every day we have to make a choice. Every day we have to refuse something or refuse a temptation. Because if we say yes to everything, how can we make a choice at all? Right? Yearning, one of our daily goal or one of our daily tasks is to be better than who we were yesterday. Next, repulsion, of negativity, of bad influences, of what isn't true. Now we have to repel those kinds of things away so that we can focus on the things that or the good things that life gives us. Now, if in the event of being surrounded by negativity or bad influences, we have a choice. We have a choice to refuse, and we have a choice to accept, and we have a choice to be better than who we were yesterday, or be better than ourselves right there in the moment. Next, preparation for what lies ahead or whatever may happen. Now, that's self-explanatory. Purpose, it's up to you to find out your purpose. But for you to find out your purpose, you have to you have to figure out or learn things about yourself. Hi, good evening. Next, assent, to be free of deception about what's inside and outside our control. I think assent, this is where the will comes in, because we have the will to accept what we can control and accept the things that we cannot. Now, you may hear some voices coming from outside of the room. Those are just people partying, if I'm not mistaken, or drinking, having fun. Now, 7 of these things, it's the function of the mind. It's the 7 function of the mind. Now, we can take it literally, because every day we unconsciously make one of these in any one of these 7 functions, right? Now, because most of us every one of us are imperfect, so we have to consider or yearn to be better than who we were yesterday, or learn more about ourselves. That's why we do journaling. Not only in trading, not only in activities, but journaling on how our mind works, or the things all of the thoughts that we can remember at the end of the day. We should write it down. Next, we must make sure that it does and see everything else as a pollution or a corruption. Now, I will not I will not make a realization out of this last sentence, because it's up to you on how you will give it a meaning. But for me, maybe not. I'll just take the 7 clear functions of the mind. Use it every day. And yes, that's it, ladies and germs. Thank you for watching. If you think that I have things to improve other than my health, because I look sick right now, please put a comment on the comment sections below. And if you haven't, subscribe if you haven't, and share this to one of your friends. See you in my next episode. Bye.